we're going to use a demonstration company that we created called Fusion Gym. So we're going to go to fusiongym.irecommendafriend.com. You'll get to create your own domain name, just like Fusion Gym. And you'll get to choose the kind of design that you'd like to use. For today's demonstration, we're using the custom setup, and we've already done all the work. As you can see, we have the Fusion Gym logo, we have workout pictures, and we have a description of what our program is. We're offering a 2-week free membership, and customers only have to share that deal with one person to get 10% off in the Pro Shop. So when customers get to this first page, we like to call the welcome page. The first thing they're going to do is click the Share Now button. And when they do, that takes you to the second page, the customer sign-in page. On this page, the customer is going to sign up and give some information about themselves. So we're going to go ahead and put in my name, my email address, my password, and then the rest of the information, the rest of the questions, you get to decide what you want to ask. So here we have their birthday, in case you want to do a birthday promotion every year, and a couple of questions. How often do you work out? We'll say more than once a week. Have you ever worked with a trainer? I'm going to say no. These are not required, but we're going to go ahead and fill them out anyway. Click Submit, and that takes them to the next page. This is the sharing page. They get the opportunity to put in their friend's email address so that an email goes out with the offer. So let's go ahead and put in another email. And this scroll down, I guess they're looking for the address, which of course is not required, so I'm going to skip that. Have you ever worked out with this friend? I'm going to say yes. And do they belong to a gym? Well, I don't know the answer to that question. And then the customer can put a personal message. This is where I work out. Come join me. And we click send. Oh, and that person's already been shared with, which is one of the great features about Expect Referrals, so that this doesn't turn into spam. The system automatically tracks who has and has not been referred and who has not been shared with. So therefore, the system does not allow it to happen again. So let's put a different email address. Again, this is my gym, and send. Okay, great. And as you can see over here, the counter has moved up to 2, and the next person that I shared with has come over here. And you can see that there's an open envelope icon, which means that this person has actually opened their email and viewed it. This one's a closed icon because they haven't actually viewed it yet. Now let's take a look at what those emails look like. And come on down here. Now, because the customer only had to share with one person, this is an example of the sharing email, the customer thank you email. As you can see, we've already customized it with a logo and with text that makes sense. And down here at the bottom, it's announcing what the customer received for participating in the program. Now let's go to the other one. This is what their friend gets. And this is the personal message that gets put in by the customer's name, as well as, again, a customized email with logos and pictures and messages, and of course down here at the bottom what the offer is, and that goes out to their friends. All stuff that you'll create inside the Expect Referrals account. Now, maybe the customer wants to share this incentive on their Facebook and Twitter accounts. Now, you can turn social media on or off. That's up to you. Today we have it turned on, and let's just take a look at how it works. The customer comes here, they click the Be Social button, and up pops a window that has a message that you will create when you set up your account. 2-week free membership to Fusion Gym. Click to find out how to get this great deal. And at the back is a unique bit.ly code that, when clicked on, automatically goes to a social media collection page set up just by you in your Expect Referrals account that connects your account to this message. Now, if the customer wants to add a personal message, they can do that as well. They can link to their Facebook, and they can share it. They can also link to their Twitter, and then they can share that. Now, when the sharing is complete, they close out. If they have no more people to share with at this time, they click the Done button, and it takes them to the last page of the process, the thank you page, again, already customized before we got here with a logo and images and text that makes sense. Now let's go ahead and see the end result of sharing on Facebook and Twitter. We're going to go over here to my Facebook account, and we're going to click refresh button. And there it is. There is the post that I put for the Fusion Gym referral program. I click on that link, and it takes us to the social media collection page. And this is what your customers' friends will click on and go to your page, again, customized by you inside the software. And the person can put in their information. I'll go ahead and sign Jamie up. And you can we can put in their address information if we wish. Have you worked out with this friend? Yes. Do they belong to a gym? Well, I know Jamie does, so we'll say yes. Click submit. And it lets us know that an email is going to go to Jamie at expectreferrals.com from me. Okay, same thing happens over here on our Twitter page. Let's go ahead and click refresh. And there's our 2-week membership to Fusion Gym. Again, that unique bit.ly code taking us right back to that social media collection page. And that is the entire process. Now, that is what the customer receives. That's what the experience is after it's all set up. But how do you set it up? Well, you'll do that inside Expect Referrals.